Planning your dream trip to Barbados? We've got 20 super helpful tips, from what to pack, how to dress, what to bring for your hair and skin, how to get around, and even what to know when traveling with kids.
Whether it's your first time or your fifth, these tips will help you feel at home and prepared for a stress-free, unforgettable Barbados experience.
There will be some key bonus tips at the end. Pack light, breathable clothes like cotton, linen, rayon, viscose, hemp, merino wool, modal are all materials that keep your skin comfortable, balances out the moisture, and are free to wear. Barbados is warm year-round, so comfort is key.
Bright tropical colours are always a win. Think coral, turquoise, sunshine yellow, and floral prints. Locals love style, so don't be afraid to stand out.
Bring secure sandals and walking shoes, and keep heels for the evening. During the daytime especially, some surfaces are rough, especially in older towns, and if you're going on nature trails, sightseeing, Sugar Hill Mill sites, etc. Pack smart.
Swimsuits and trunks, absolutely. But also pack a light cover-up, or sarong, or a shirt. Walking around town or dining in your bikini, that's a no-no in Barbados.
A wide-brimmed hat, quality sunglasses, sunscreen are essentials. The Caribbean sun doesn't play.
Salt water and sun can dry your skin fast. Bring a rich moisturizer, shea butter, aloe vera gel, or natural oils like coconut or jojoba work well.
For hair, keep your hair hydrated. Spray in leave-in conditioners, spray mist, and wear protective styles. I myself have sister locks, so I wear protective styles to keep hair hydrated. I always bring hydrating leave-in conditioner and my satin scarf, also bonnet.
And don't forget lip balm with SPF and reusable water bottle. Hydration inside and out.
The Barbadian dollar is pegged to the US dollar. $1 USD equals 2 Barbados dollars, BBD. You can use either, but expect change in Bajan dollars.
Always carry small change. Taxis, small vendors and rum shops may not have change for large bills.
Booking restaurants, tours, events, it is more important than ever as Barbados is becoming more popular and popular spots fill up quickly, especially during peak season and weekends. Book in advance, well in advance, to avoid disappointment.
Most places accept credit card and debit cards, but bring some cash for local fish fries, beach bars or roadside vendors.
Getting around in Barbados, you can use ZR buses, blue buses, yellow buses, all charging around $3.75. Now, you have the Pickup Barbados app. We haven't used it ourselves because we always hire a car. You can see your fare, track your driver, and pay cash or card.
Barbados is great for families. Pack beach toys, floaties and snacks your kids love. Many beaches have calm, shallow waters.
Don't forget rash guards, hats, sunscreen for kids, as the sun can be very intense, even on cloudy days.
Look for family-friendly stays. Some hotels and guest houses offer babysitting, kids' pools or activity centres.
A lightweight stroller with good wheels will help. Sidewalks in rural areas can be uneven or narrow.
You'll find pharmacies stocked with baby supplies, but if your child needs a specific formula or brand, bring it with you.
Bajans are some of the friendliest people, always there to help, give advice. Always greet with a smile and say good morning, good afternoon. It goes such a long way for them. Keep your passport and any forms of ID on your person. Use a crossbody bag or anti-theft pouch when exploring. Extra cash, jewelry, any precious items. Keep in a hotel safe or your Airbnb safe if available. If not, look for a very good place or location where you can keep them safe.
Use a parasol, umbrella, not just for rain. Shade is your friend. Stylish, smart and sun safe.
And for black skin, yes, our melanin brothers and sisters, we have a natural SPF of 10. However, that's not nearly enough, especially if you're not used to the level of Caribbean sun. Use sunscreen even if you don't usually burn. Your skin needs time to build the sun's tolerance.
Choose reef-friendly sunscreen. When heading to the beach, look for labels that say zinc oxide or titanium oxide. These are the good guys. Avoid oxybenzone and octinoxate. These are reef wreckers.
And we know we love a rum punch. But remember, the first, fantastic. The second is fire. And the third might have you forgetting where your hotel room is or where you left your wallet. Drink water in between every alcoholic drink. Stay lifted, not left out.
SPF 50 won't stop you from tanning. It just lets you tan without trauma. You'll still glow, just without the sting. Sensitive areas to protect is the scalp, nose and lips, and back of neck and shoulders. We hope these tips help you plan your best trip to Barbados.
And always, remember to like, subscribe, share this video with anyone heading to the island soon, and drop your own Barbados tips in the comments. We'd love to receive them.
See you in paradise!